Last week on Three Things at Three, we discovered the brand new punch needle line from Timberbell, and we showed you how to make some fantastic Christmas decorations for your home.
That's right. We made wreath pin cushions, decorated wooden ornaments, and made some Christmas patchwork stockings that are adorable and so easy to make.
All of which could make for some great gifts to give this year, I think.
Absolutely. So be sure to catch 3 at 3 Live every Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Time, or watch it on demand via Facebook or YouTube by clicking the links below.
Okay, here we go. So give yourself a little me time with your girlfriends and tune in to 3 Things at 3, where we always have something to make you smile,
something to learn,
and something to discover.
You're on my team, genius.
Let's go.